Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with me, Alyssa J. Today I'm doing a slime review for Slime OG, which is an account on Instagram, and I will have the link down below to her shop if you would like to check it out. I purchased this all with my own money, and I am so excited to share my thoughts about this slime with you today. The packaging is all very nice. Unfortunately, two of the slimes, one came with a little dent in it and the other one leaked, but it's all right. They are okay, and I salvaged the slime inside, no problem. And then there's also her extras baggie with some borax and a care card. So first off, the first slime I have is Cherry Gelato, and this is a 6-ounce cherry butter slime. It came in a screw top container, as you can see. That did leak a little bit, and it's perfectly alright. I saved it like I said before. This slime is very spreadable, but it's not holdable for me. I couldn't really hold it. I wouldn't say this is the holdable slime. I would more say it's one you play with on a table, and it's more for spreading and the sizzles. The scent is really nice. It's scented like a red cherry gelato, and it reminds me of summertime. It's just a really nice scent that I really enjoy. It smells so good. It made me almost want to like eat the slime. Don't eat slime, everybody. That would be a bad idea, but I'm just saying this is like a mouth-wateringly delicious scent. The color is a nice red, but it could be a little bit darker to match the name a little bit better, because it lightens up to a more orangey red when you play with it, and it has air bubbles. That's just something I noticed. And overall, this slime is a really nice sizzly slime, but it is a little sticky, and when it's not sticky and I activate it, it's not super stretchy, and I didn't over-activate it, but I found it just difficult to activate it perfectly to a point where it's not sticky but still stretchy, because either it wasn't holdable or it was not stretchy. So that was just something to note, but overall this slime makes really nice sizzles, and I like playing with it because of the awesome scent. The next slime that I purchased is Sticky Rice and Mango. The texture is a slushy slime, as you can see. It is very crunchy with tons and tons of bubble pops. This one isn't holdable as well because it's a clear glue slime, and I didn't find it very holdable even when I activated it. But, you know, that's a personal decision if you think it's holdable or not, depending on how warm your hands are and things like that. The slime gets so bubbly when you play with it, and it's so much fun. And it has really nice gold glitters in there that are adorable. And not to mention the little mini mango on top. That's perfect. It's so cute. The scent is like a coconut. We all know I'm not the best with scents, but I did enjoy this scent as well. It's really nice. The color is a nice milky white, and it has the really cute gold glitters like I mentioned, and the charm also adds a little pop of color in there, so it really matches its name because this does look like sticky rice. And overall, this is a really unique slime with a nice texture, but there are a little bit of bead fallout in this slime, which is something to take note of if you are planning on purchasing. Before I continue, make sure you comment down below what your favorite scent for slime is. My favorite is Sweet Pea. And if you are enjoying this video, please like and share with your friends. Next up, I have Pineapple Paradise. It's a 6-ounce jelly cube slime, and the sponges are all cut into really cute shapes. They're little pineapple slices, and I find that really adorable. There's also some glitters in there that are a little bit difficult to see, but I promise they're in there. And they're iridescent, just like hearts and stars shaped. The scent is not my favorite. It's more of a artificial fruit slime scent. That's what I find with a lot of fruit scents. That's how it is. But with this one, it's just a little bit too artificial for me. I like fresher scent, like the cherry gelato scent. So the color is also really pretty. As you guys can see, it is a vibrant, gorgeous yellow. So overall, I love the color, and the texture is really nice. It's really cute. I love jelly cube slime. Next up, I have Fairy Dust. It is a 6-ounce slime, and it's a blue fairy dust cloud slime. This slime is really soft, and it's great for making drizzles, and it fluffs up really nicely. There is also iridescent pink glitter topped on top of the slime, as you can see. The scent is kind of like, I want to say like a fruity, maybe a melon, but I'm not exactly sure. The scent is nice and refreshing, but it's not my favorite out of all of these slimes. I would probably have to say Cherry Gelato was my favorite. It's also a really nice shade of blue that's really pretty, as you guys can see. One thing to note about this slime as well is that there is a lot of residue, a bit more than I usually see with cloud slimes, maybe because it's on the drier side, but I did find a lot of residue left on my hands and the surface I was playing with the slime. So if that's something you don't like, then maybe the slime isn't for you, but it does drizzle really nicely, and as you can see in Slimeogy's iconic slime drizzling videos, it's really nice and drizzles and looks really pretty. So that was my Slimeogy review. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment down below what your favorite slime scent is, and to subscribe and click the little bell to turn on notifications so you can be notified when I post my next video on Monday at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you didn't know, I also have a book that tells you a bunch of different slime recipes called Ultimate Slime. The link is down below if you want to check that out. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you all next time. Bye!